this little box is the chimney. So in the modify panel, change it to my chimney. And this box can also have a taper modifier applied to it. Again, just to give it some distortion in its proportions. I'm not going to make it I'm not going to make it curved or anything like that. So I can just adjust the proportions and the position of the chimney. So that's the 3D model almost complete. But although it's got some bulging proportions here and some unique angles on the chimney, it's still very horizontal. So I want to disturb the model. I want to unbalance the whole model. Now I'm going to select all of the objects that I've just created. I can do that using the Control A key, which is the shortcut for select all, or I can use the select and move tool to drag all the way around and select everything in the scene. Or I can also use select by name. And because I've named all of my objects, my chimney, my house, my walls, my roof, I can select everything in the list there. With everything selected, I can now apply a modifier to all three items together. And I'm going to apply the FFD 2x2 by 2 modifier. This gives me access to a series of control points that I can select in different viewports, and I can use to lean my house over, to push it forward, to tilt it backwards, to dip it inside, and do all sorts of different things to the house. And this just helps to create that distortion of everything. And I can just sort of pick up corners and tilt them up. And it just makes the house so much more childlike in the fact that there's no balance there. It's sort of all leaning in different directions. It's leaning backwards, it's leaning to the side, it's tilting up. It's got some curve on the walls. So it's very unbalanced, which is exactly what I'm trying to replicate.